goal with this activity is to loosen up the trunk and hips. Here's what you'll do. You want to get a pad and a block, something to rest your head on, and you're going to lie on those things like so. Just make sure as you do that, your head is supported and it's not side bent down. So you might have to get a couple pads or pillows. Just like this. Right there. There we go. Okay. So I'm resting on that. This is on my rib cage and my hips. I'm going to take something that's kind of weighted. Sandbags work great. You can use a book bag at home. Here I'm going to use this flat med ball. I'm going to put that on the top of my rib cage, hang on to it. No pressure here. Bottom leg 60 degrees, top foot's in front of the bottom ankle. You're going to hold this position and just slowly breathe. 5 count in through the nose. And a soft 5 count through the mouth. Just think about melting and relaxing into this weighted stuff. And that sounds done. Give it a shot.